All right, guys, so first stop, I'm here, what is Mill River here in Fairfield. Just like probably the best trout spot around. And I caught a rainbow here the other day. So I'm gonna hit this for probably like 30 minutes. It's low tide like right now, like 10 minutes ago was peak low tide. So I'm gonna hit this for like a half hour and then I'm gonna go down and see if we can't get some striped bass during the day. Even though we are fishing later today, basically edited from like noon to like 3:30, whatever it is now, like 4 o'clock. And I kind of hit like a wall of like not being creative anymore. So I'm gonna come out here and fish a little bit. I got the GoPro and we're gonna set it up. And we're gonna see if, I caught a rainbow here the other day with 2 of my friends. And the camera was in the car. We weren't really recording. Let's get this chest mount on and let's get to fishing. How do I put this on? I don't even remember how I used to do this. All right, let's get this GoPro rolling. Hopefully we get a couple trout. Hope so. Super low. That's super low for here. The water is so low, I don't even know how this is gonna turn out. The water's a little bit, oh, trout just jumped right there. Water's a little bit higher over here, so we'll probably have some better luck, I think. Just way too low at that other spot. Wasn't like that the other day. Trout just jumped right there, so I might have to switch up to a silver blade. Na, 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 na. All right, guys, so I actually just caught this. I think this is a crappie. Someone's gonna have to let me know because I actually don't really know because I don't fish a whole lot of freshwater. I believe that's a crappie. And he's a pretty big one too. And I literally watched him smoke this little rooster tail, so it's pretty nice. Gave up a pretty good fight. First crappie I've ever caught. I think this is a crappie. I'm not sure though. Let's get him. Let's get him out there. No, come on. Oh, he came up and smoked that thing, and I actually saw like, I believe it was a big bass I saw like flash at it, because I saw something pretty big flash at it. It's either a bass or a pickerel. I know that there's pickerel in here. I see them all the time, so we're gonna keep casting this because I'm down to catch a couple little crappie. I never really catch bass in here. I've seen like a couple, but they're pretty finicky in this pond. Oh, I just saw some. Oh, somebody's got it. Oh, that was a pickerel. That was definitely a pickerel. Could tell by the shape of its body. That crappie hammered it though. They're going crazy for the spinner. Seems to be a lot of fish in that hole that I just crossed over, and now we're out of it, so. That's where everything keeps hitting, because I had that same crappie hit the lure, but pretty lightly. And once he hit it, he didn't really get hooked the first time. He hit it pretty soft. The second time I threw it around, he smoked it, so. Maybe I gotta go a little faster. Too used to fishing for stripers and going real slow because they're so lethargic right now. But this pond's pretty small, and it's like 65 degrees today, so it's been pretty warm. I think this water's probably pretty warm. Oh, there's a pickerel right there. I'm gonna go right over the pickerel. Let's see if we get him. Oh, man, he didn't even flinch at it. He is like a baby. He's pretty small, but I expected like at least a little bit of curiosity towards it. He didn't even think twice. Just went right by his face. Oh, there's a pickerel coming for it. Oh, no. No, he went away, and now the other one's excited. Here, we're gonna get him on here. Ready? I see where he is. All right, let's move. I think those pickerel just swam away. There's 3 of them. They dipped on me. All right, there's a little bass right in front of me. And he chased the lure in once, so I'm gonna bring it back over again. Oh, he's going to the right. Oh, there's one. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Real aggressive, man. He came out of fucking nowhere. Oh, I lost him. He's right there. I lost him. I didn't hook him that hard. Nothing on that cast. I'm gonna follow. Man, I'm kind of mad that I lost him right at the bank, though. I could have easily capitalized on that. Just an idiot. Those geese scared them all away. Scared them all off, man. After I caught that one bass. Well, I missed him at the shore.
2 hours later.
Spot number 2, guys. Let's go. Well, spot number 3 technically, and spot number 1, not 2 at all. Spot number 1 for stripers today. Five-inch diesel minnow on a 1/2-ounce jig head. I don't know what color this is. This is greenish silver. Yeah, I thought it'd be a little higher. I don't know.
About an hour after, an hour and a half after.
Oh, I thought it was like 2 or something. I thought it was like 2.5. Oh yeah, dude, I thought I was bumping a Kid Cudi.
Day and night.
I toss and turn, I keep pushing my mind at night. Hey.
Doug Jimmy don't give a damn.
Yo, can we do this like multiple times a week? Oh my god, a fish just popped up right there. Can we do this like multiple times?
So, is he gonna die?
Biggest fish ever. Nah, he's good.
Wait, it says more light.
Just let me revive him. Like, give me the fish before you put him back in the water. But
Let me see if this works.
You got a defibrillator?
He just got that magic touch.
he's not 20. He's not 28. I
He
promise.
said 24.
God,
This said
dude.
24.
Can I get a flick
But he was kind of moving.
Nah, let's go.
Oh.
All right, first straight bass ever. Too skinny.
Alright, now the video's done.
We got that motherfucker or what? Wait, no.
This kid's an asshole.
No, we can't, bro. Like, I'm dead ass.
small?
There's just not enough meat on that thing.
Yeah. You get like 3 bites?
One person would. You're gonna get like 4 bites per side, and it's also just so
one
fucked
person
up.
would be without a bite.
It's just fucked up because it hasn't spawned yet. Like, it hasn't.
Squeeze that much.
All right, let's all cast again because we can catch some. They're back. The bite's back. The bite is back.
Gonna go with the solo revive. Oh.
All right.
You got the jug?
Do you know?
Nice. Let's go.
He was healthy. He went right back in.
Oh, wait.
All right, let's go.
It's a dog eat dog world.
No. I come. No. That's the thing. The thing is, I go so long without catching fish. I show up mentally prepared to not catch fish.
Got another here, boys. Little one this time, but fought pretty hard. Gonna let him go. Let's revive him. Come on, bud. Time to hit the ice. Time to hit the ice, bud. Come on. Yeah, there you go. Yup. Beautiful fish. Yo, kiss that mother. Matt's first ever fish? First ever fish? Wait, that might be long.
First kill,
Nah,
baby?
it's